Hello class. This video is intended to show you all how to navigate the outline in week 2 and then how to apply it to the essay in week 3. So the first thing that we do is we came into week 2, right, and clicked on it over here, and it brought us to the overview. So we're going to slide down and to open up the outline. Here we go. Click on the link. And then as you work through all of it, it's going to guide you through the importance of creating an outline and how to brainstorm and all of that good stuff. And we, really quickly, you're going to come down here and you're going to choose one of these particular options, right? So option number 1 is the American Dream Lecture in week 1 points out that Poor Richard's Almanac was an annual publication that included calendar lists, home recipes, weather forecasts, etc. What made Franklin's Almanac unlike other almanacs was the inclusion of Franklin's witty parables and humorous writings. Franklin proposes in The Way to Wealth that anyone who worked hard, avoids debt, and works towards attaining a virtuous character can be successful and ultimately wealthy. That the American dream is accessible to all. Right? So we're dealing with this particular question in option 1. So then you can choose The Color Purple or The Great Gatsby. You can find the films over here. Then you're going to make an argument about whether or not Franklin's assertion is correct. So yes, the American dream is accessible to all, or no, the American dream is not accessible to all, and here's my evidence from these films. So these are your two choices for a thesis statement, and basically these blanks are where you are going to put in your ideas, right? These are the 3 points that you are going to determine based upon your findings and your assessment from watching the videos and having read, obviously, Poor Richard's Almanac. Now, the second option, write a comparison or contrast essay about 2 of the corresponding characters in the table below. You will choose 3 of the points of comparison from the pool below as your points of comparison or contrast. Keep in mind that the purpose of a compare and contrast essay is to reveal something meaningful about the characters and their relationships to the text. So we're going to look at a point-by-point style comparison, which means that each paragraph is looking at a specific point. Okay, so you're not going to talk all about one character and then all about the other character and then compare or contrast them at the end. No, you're going to be comparing or contrasting different points in each paragraph. And that's what we're going to get to in the outline. So you're going to choose one of the following pairings, and then you're going to choose 3 of these points, whichever ones you prefer. And then you will find textual evidence to support and explain it. Okay? Now, here we come down to write the outline. Now remember that you can download these by clicking on one. Let's try the first one, essay outline. And you can see down here how it has downloaded into my computer as a Word document. I click to open it. And here we go. I'm going to enable editing. And then you can just fill it in. All you have to do is fill it in. So then you can start typing your topic. Sorry about that. And in each of these, you need to, here's the thesis statement, right? This is simply an example. You are going to get rid of these. You're going to then say it's incorrect or correct, and you're going to fill in your points. Alrighty? And then each of these needs to be filled in. Topic sentence, the details, the concluding sentence, and then the quotations with citations that you're going to use in that paragraph to support your point. Okay? So this was number 1, creating an outline for option number 1. If we go back, and then we have choice number 2. Again, you download it, open it up. Here it is, and everything's already in here. Now, please remember that you need to eliminate the one that is not the choice you've made, okay? Then all you do is you click Save As. Get rid of this. Save As. And then I would choose to put it in my documents, right? Because I'm sure that you all would have a file for American literature, and then you're going to put it in there. So your essay outline, choice 2. You can use that title, or you can change it to something more specific to you, okay? And then once you have it saved, we're going to go back into here, right? We're going to click on Write Your Outline. Okay. You can also download it here. It's also in here. It's in a couple different places. You can also write it inside the text. Now, if you do choose to write submission in here, right, you've got all this stuff. You can open it up, so that it looks more like a word processor, but you do need to make sure that you occasionally save as draft. If you don't save as draft, it will most likely lose your work. It's notorious. So here we go. Browse from my computer. If you have downloaded it into your computer, click. It's going to take us in here, right? So then I would click on American Literature. I'd have my paper saved in here, and then I would click Open. Let's just do this. Here it is, right? This is the title. So now I'm going to choose Do Not Attach because I'm not going to upload my syllabus. And then if you'd like to leave me a note, you can do it in here. And you just click Submit, and that's it. Okay? So now you have submitted the outline properly. So we're going to go into week 3. And this is where you're going to use the outline to complete the analysis paper. Where is that? Here we go. Literary analysis essay. Now that you've created your outline, the outline that's being referred to here is the one from week 2. You are ready to begin drafting your literary analysis essay. In this learning module, you will review formal versus informal writing and AP page formatting to guide you as you write your literary analysis. Now keep in mind that I've also posted the video that helps you map out and helps you adjust all of the settings in your computer for APA formatting. Okay. Oops, sorry, wrong one. Link is here. Now, you're going to need to go through all of this. You're going to do the editing. You're going to be really careful with all of that stuff. And so the outline, here's another video to help you format. The outline, you're going to use each of those sections, right? The introduction, you're going to use that to create your literary analysis paper's introduction. Paragraph 1 is paragraph 1. It's very specifically for this essay. So in a sense, this is a building sort of project from week 2 to week 3. Okay, so, and again, you'll submit it the same way, right? You've hopefully saved it in your computer, and then you log in, click literary analysis. This is going to be in week 3, and then all you have to do is browse my computer and upload it in. Okie doke. If anybody has any questions, please let me know. Take care.